Hi guys. Hello fellow trumpet players and other jazz artists. This is Maciej Fortuna here, back with another video, and today I'd like to talk to you about the surrounding tones. Surrounding tones are the notes which are surrounding the desired notes, which are usually the chord tones. We can practice them on example of C7 dominant chord. Alright, once we have that, we can play the surrounding tones. The surrounding tones might be diatonic or chromatic. The diatonic version of surrounding tones using Mixolydian scale typical for a dominant chord. And let's do it the reverse way. Right now we'll just start surrounding those chord tones by half step below and half step above. Now the reverse opposite way. Alright, surrounding tones can be played in various ways. You might play them as diatonic notes from the original scale. You can play them as chromatic tones. You can also use the intervallic criteria. Okay guys, thanks for watching and hope you find that examples interesting. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and leave me a comment below to let me know what you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching again and see you guys next time.